Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Ethereum on Coinbase. For that, you need to launch your Coinbase mobile application, and once you are on the home page, you need to tap on Earn option. Now in the Earn, you are going to see a bunch of different banners that you can stake. For example, you can stake Ethereum, Cardano, etc. So you just have to select the Ethereum banner and then you need to tap on the option of stake Ethereum. Afterwards, you will be landed on this page, which will show you that if you stake your Ethereum, then you are going to earn the 4.81% APY, and it will also show you a bunch of different information relating to the Ethereum staking. So you just have to read the information that is given over here, and after that you need to press continue. Then you will be landed on this staking page where you will be asked to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to stake. So over here in this section, you will have to select the amount. After selecting the amount, you will have to tap on the option of preview stake. Then you will be landed on this preview stake option, which will show you that you are staking from your primary balance to your earning balance, and in return you will get this much amount of API. The payment frequency will be this and the unstaking period will be this. So if everything looks correct, you will have to press the stake now button in the bottom. Then it will take some time to submit your order, and once done it will show you that your order was submitted, and we will send you an email when your order status updates. So this way you will be able to easily stake your Ethereum on Coinbase. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.